This is the replacement and repair of the vertical mill grain roller. So these rollers are sent back for maintenance. And then after we done the routine maintenance for them, and then we're going to send this back to the site. It's a conical shaped surface welding hard facing vertical roller. And when we say maintenance, it refers to the hard facing, and then the changing of the guard plate, and also as well as the bearings. For example, after maybe 3 or 5 years of operating, then the VRM need a maintenance, a routine maintenance, and then so here is the departure, and we just done maintenance and going to send these rollers back to the site.